Hello guys, I'm gonna make Spanish rice today. To make this rice, we need extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons. Now we're gonna add finely chopped diced onions, tomato rice is a traditional dish of Spain. Cook onion until it gets soft. Now we're gonna add 3 garlic cloves chopped. About 2 to 3 minutes after adding the garlic and the onion into the pan, and they are developing a beautiful light golden color. I'm gonna add in 1 15-ounce can of diced tomatoes, a generous half teaspoon of sweet smoked paprika, tomatoes get soft. We're gonna season everything with sea salt and freshly cracked black pepper. And mix all these ingredients together that way that they are all evenly mixed. Now I'm gonna add 1 cup of Spanish brown rice. If you don't have this type of rice, no big deal. You can use whatever type of rice you want to make this recipe. And once again, continue to mix this all together. Once everything's well mixed, I'm gonna add in 3 cups of vegetable broth, or you can use water as well. Now give it a quick mix. As you can see, a lot of that broth has been incorporated into the rice. At this point, I'm going to lower the heat to a low medium heat. And we are going to simmer this between 4 to 5 minutes or until all that broth has been fully incorporated into the rice. Once there's virtually no broth left in the pan, our rice dish is ready to go. I have removed the pan from the heat, and let's start assembling our dish. Rice is looking so delicious. I'm going to garnish with some coriander. Guys, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Please like my recipe and share it with others. Thank you.